mild injuries. Next, we have a pen if you need to write stuff down. After that, we have hand wipes. We also have ointment. We have gloves. We have Band-Aids. We have Q-tips. And we have gauze pads. And we have alcohol wipes. And that's everything in Leah's med kit. Our first initial spell Leah. My first initial is L.
My first initial is E.
And my first initial is A.
And that's all together, that stands for Leah.
Leah. We think that our target customers will be people who need med kits in hospitals. We think that our first customers to buy the med kit will be everyone's mothers.
Alexa is all better now just because of Leah's med kit.